The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following counties: Arizona, effective until 10:23 p.m. All civilians in Arizona should seek a shelter now. Turnaround dawn. Drown. Flood deaths are common in vehicles. Mass flooding was in Yuma County. Everyone should not be driving. If you are driving, you can die. Please stand by for more messages of this dangerous situation.